we just came from Japan for an expo, no, or exhibit, no. Siyempre, nasa Japan na rin tayo, punta na rin natin yung mga paborito nating mga woodworkers from Karakuri Creations Group. So mga nakita nyo yun, meron kaming inattendan na exhibit. It's in a Naraya, Odawara, Naraya Cafe. And one of which is, ito talaga yung pinuntahan namin, yung mga paborito nating Karakuri Creations Group na boxes, no. So mga secret boxes, these were by Osamu Kashu, Yokakuda, and Kobikitan, no. So bukod doon, mamaya pakita namin sa inyo, and bukod doon, meron tayong nakuhang gifts from the Hanayama, the head office in Hanayama sa Japan. So one of which is a lock wine puzzle. So the way it works is ilalock mo yung bote mo. So maganda to, pasolve mo muna yung mga uhaw na sa alak, no. Pasolve mo muna sila bago nila mabuksan yung alak. And then next one, this is I feel special really kasi was able to receive this one. This is CAS key number 3. So this is a third variant of the key. So we'll figure out kung paano to buksan. Next one, pumunta kami sa Ginza. It's a place in Tokyo, and we were able to acquire this. These are called bicycle mermaid back. This is a Ginza store exclusive. So you have to be there physically dun sa store nila for you to purchase it, no. Then finally, yung main event, ito yun, ang dami namin nakuha. These are the restock. Ito mga special requests to from our friends and relatives. These two, we have to doctor and a friend. It's restock na feature na namin to before, but the difference is this one, pinirmahan to by Osamu Kashu, the artist or the woodworker, which makes this very special. And this one as well, a horse with a warrior. We also featured this already. And this is also a special request for a relative sa pinsan ko, si Ron. And signed rin siya sa loob. So, we'll share with you the content or yung video kung saan niya sinign and kung paano kami nakapag-usap ni mga artists, Yokakuda and Osamu Kashu. And some of which pa, this one naman, itong mga boxes na to are from Yokakuda. So yung si Yokakuda, ang specialty niya is more of the animals and storytelling, no? So you have the, how do you read this? Ichthyosaurus, I hope I got it right. And it's in the form of an animal, parang reptile siya. And si Yokakuda, shinare niya sa amin yung story behind this. This is very interesting. And we'll do a separate content for this. Nakakatuwa to. Cute, di ba? So, next one, we have the onsen monkey. Onsen is a Japanese traditional bath, no? So, we have this. Meron kang monkey or gorilla. Tapos itong bath na to, yan yung onsen. So, we'll figure out kung paano to buksan, di ba? Ang ganda. Next is we have ito, I was really looking for this. Yun nga lang, hindi ako nakuha dun sa raffle to purchase it. But this time, I was able to acquire it from the exhibit ni Yo and ni Osamu Kasho, no? So, you have a cat dun sa sofa. And the way it works, the way it opens is very interesting. So, we're going to share with you on a separate content as well. Ang dami. Ang dami namin papakita sa inyo talaga. I was so happy and excited to share all this with you. This one is the Lighthouse Keeper. Ayan. Also by Yokakuda. And ito siya. So, you have the lighthouse. Tapos ito yung dog. And the secret box is somewhere. The secret compartment is somewhere here yata sa front. So, again, we'll figure out on how to open it. And this one, this is one of the interesting pieces. Maganda yung story behind this. The Moon and Bear secret box, but also by Yokakuda. And ito yung crescent or the moon. And you have the bear figure. Diba? And finally, we have the Cheshire Cat. I hope I got it right. Ito siya. Isa rin to sa very interesting pieces. Ang ganda ng pagkakagawa niya. Teka, buksan natin to. Ito yung Cheshire Cat. Ang ganda, oh. Diba? Tapos yung tail niya, movable yan. Tapos what I really like about them, yung mga gawa nila, this is all handmade. Diba? So just imagine, different kind of woods yan. I think I'm seeing 1, 2, 3. 3 kinds of woods. Tapos kinarve nila in such a way na magmukha siyang form ng cat. Diba? Ang ganda. Tapos yung details niya, meron pang paa dito, di ba? Ang ganda. So, at first glance, pagka display mo siya, tulad nito, hindi mo akalain na secret box yan, no? There's a hidden compartment inside, which, in a way, it's interesting kasi it's a conversation piece, di ba? Ang ganda. So, here they are. Ito na yung mga haul namin from Japan. Most of which are actually, first time ko lang nakita, even this one, ngayon ko lang nakita. During that time lang, actually. And this one, I'm so happy was able to get it. And actually, lahat gusto ko talaga. Even this, grabe, parang ang nerd ko dito. No? Parang ang geek ko kasi sobrang saya ko talaga. Even more, yung nakita ko yung mga artists behind this puzzle boxes. So, we're going to figure out, once again, kung paano sila buksan itong mga puzzle boxes na to. And once we do, we'll share it with you. Yun lang.